Big one obviously is tomorrow, which is what today is all about, which is the AORUS Spotlight stream. So that is going to have 2 of us on there. It's going to be Tim and I who are going to be on the stream. I want to feel like success for me is like Robeytech feels at the center of the tech community, and it's like a bridge where we're helping other influencers become, and then we're helping them maintain and manage quality. Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Justin Robey, aka Robeytech, and I am a PC influencer.